Hello, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna be explaining how these exercises work. So the first exercise is exercise 3. Take the following code in Python that stores a chain. And the chain is 0.8475. Use find and apart for a string to extract a portion of the string after the colon character, and then use the float function to convert the structured string to a floating point number. Well, let's break down this code. So this line initialize a variable change with the given string 0.8475. As you can see, chain and 0.8475. After that, this is the part where it will find the colon character. The find is this symbol you are watching right now, these 2 points. The method is used on the string change to locate the index of the colon character. The result is stored in variable colon index. After that, they extract the portion of the string after the colon. The line extracts the portion of the string after the colon character. It uses sliding cadena colon index plus 1, where colon index plus 1 is the index immediately after the colon. This extracts everything from the index to the end of the string, and this part over here, where you can see extract string equals cadena collox index plus 1. After that, it converts the extract string to a floating point number. Here, the float function is used to convert the extract string to a floating point number. This is necessary because the portion after the colon is a string representation of a floating point number. In this line 68 over here. Confidence equal float struct string. After that, it will print the confidence, which will be equal to the output 0.8475. So if I run the program and I end the first two, it will be printing 0.8475, as you can see. Well, now I'm going to be explaining the exercise 4. Here are two examples, where in the first example I use a script, and the second example I use replace. Both are functions of Python. Well, the first, this line, initialize a variable text within the string seticolomos. It contains leading and trailing white space, as you can see, between the first part it has winning space, and finally it has winning space. And then this line over here calls the strip method on the text string. The strip method removes any leading trailing white space from the string. The result is then stored in a variable strip text. This will be removing the trailing white space. As you can see, I put a note over here. And finally, in this line over here, this prints the strip string on the console. The output will be seticolomos without any leading or trailing white space. And the next example is for replace. So in the first line you can see welcome user, and if I just use this line it will be printing welcome user. But in the next line I use the function replace to replace the word user to player. As you can see, it will be removing the word user and will be replacing it with the word player. And then it will be printing with a new text, and we'll say welcome player instead of welcome user. Now I'm gonna be running the program. So here is the first program, 0.8475, and the second program, set the columns without the white space, and welcome player instead of welcome user. So it's everything for today. Thank you for stopping by.